Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. And it's been a while, and today I just say let me just talk to you guys. Today's video, I'm going to be making my hair, and I just decided to make a voiceover. Normally, for some time now, I've been using only music on my videos. I know you guys have been missing me. Yeah, today I'm just going to be doing my hair. So I'm going to be parting my hair into four sections, and I will start with each section. Right now I just detangle my hair very well, and then after detangling I will just hold it with this clip. As you can see, normally hair videos I don't like talking or making voice over because it is self-explanatory. So I always think it's always good to just leave it because actually you can see what I'm doing. So that's why most of the time I don't do voiceover. But yeah, here we are today. So like I earlier said, I'm just going to part the hair into four sections, and I'll also be showing you the extension I'm going to be using today to make my hair. So I'm going to be starting at the back. Actually, today is the first time I'm making my hair alone. Not really, I mean, with extension. Today is the first time I'm using extension on my hair alone. It was one time I used it, but it was not this type of extension I used, but it was a twist, how do they call it? I just forgot how they call it, but I think I have the video on my channel where I made that hairstyle. So with this straight extension, this is my first time trying it out, and I know it's gonna be very, very beautiful. So I will just leave you here to continue to enjoy the music while you watch me make my hair. And for those of you who maybe you always think you cannot make it, I just want to encourage you today that you should keep trying. One day you will also be able to sit down to make your hair yourself. It is possible. Before, I used to think I can't make my hair myself, but right now I know we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. So if you cannot get it now, just keep trying. One day you will get it. Also, I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you who have been supporting me on my kids videos. Even though I just do it with music, I just want to say thank you so much. And for my new subscribers, you are welcome and welcome. You're welcome. And for those of you who have been watching and you have not yet subscribed, I just want to say subscription is free. So do well to join the family so that we can grow together. Thank you all so much once more. And I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.